Hey Zoe,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Down a little bit. Ready?
Have at it, baby.
Wow!
Get that cake.
Good job!
how dainty.
Oh, good job!
So good.
What do you think?
I didn't get that. Shoot.
Frosting.
So cute, Carolyn. A little flower. How'd you do that?
Mom has
I brought my cake decorating
cake
stuff.
decorating stuff.
Oh.
Are you gonna be the cleanest first birthday baby ever?
Just warming up.
Oh, that's cute.
Zoe,
Is that good?
you're so dainty.
So good,
Yum.
Mom. So
Sure.
good, huh?
Oh.
Frosting's so thick. It's supposed to have creamy frosting, Mom, so I can smear it everywhere.
Is that good? She's like, I'm not sure that I'm allowed to do this.
can do it.
Get it!
Do it.
Get it, Zoe!
Yeah.
Oh, look at that big chunk.
Don't
Oh,
choke
well,
on it. Good job.
Is it good, Zoe? Does it taste good?
She's like,
Sugar
you
rush.
got it.
Yeah.
You
Here,
have
bro,
a
bring that
seizure?
up so I can go behind her. There we go.
Is that milk any good anymore? Or is
You want some?
it... No, no.
Wash it down.
Yeah, she might want
Oops, I didn't want
That's
that
your
one.
milk.
Woo! What do you have? Get in there.
Stella.
Where are those silly dogs?
Is that your kid? Zoe.
Crybabies. Huh?
Yeah.
What crybabies?
No, you're
Yeah,
fixing
yeah. Shut
She
up.
says shush.
Shut up. It's my birthday.
Yeah, time
Good
to have
job.
a drink. That's right.
Goodness. Cough, cough. Cough, cough, cough. You're fine.
It's not the milk's fault, and it's not the cake's fault.
Cough, cough. Are you done? After all that? You just gonna,
Yeah.
you gonna throw it on the ground?
Sugar's running through her little body.
It's like she should be at a gym or something with it. Just the cake. You done with the cake?
Is that good?
Good stuff, huh?
Everybody's staring.
I
I know.
know.
She's like, I don't get it.
Nobody else is eating cake.
Stop.
You want everybody else to have
Should we
cake?
eat cake?
Stop
Zoe,
it.
ready? Mommy will help you. Is that for me? Thank you.
Oh, wow. Good
What
sharing.
about you? You want some? I know, she's very distracting, huh?
Yes. What a baby.
Stella!
Get a grip, Stella.
Ready, Zoe? Watch. Zoe,
Chill out.
Good job. Wow! I.
Mm-hmm.
I've got a picture of that. I'm taking it.
This is really close.
Where's the Zoe one?
I didn't even get it. It was...
Okay. Not good. Delete, delete.
What's bottom line?
You gonna take it out of my mouth?
Yeah.
One bite? Mmm.